Trading video type. That was a terrible intro, but you know what I'm saying. Let's just get into it. Y'all looking at my screen. Y'all already can see what's up. How crazy it is. Yes, bro. This John's crazy. As you can already tell, like if you guys gatekeep watch my tabs, Top Step, I switched over Alpha Futures to Top Step only because like if I do pass the evaluation, I get daily payouts, which honestly it's kind of a lot better than waiting a whole 2 weeks or a week. So I decided to transfer. It's like a whole new thing, but I feel like it's a lot easier than Tradeovate. But yeah, but as y'all can see already, bam, crazy screen. Look how crazy this market's moving right now. It's only what 11 o'clock, bro. This John's crazy. But Monday, little recap. Monday was psychology day for me. I took like a break, like I think 30 minutes of charting and writing down what I seen, whatever's happening, and that's what happened Monday, right? Tuesday, yesterday, I took 4 trades maximum. So I think instead of spamming the trades, right, that strategy clearly isn't working. I'm now getting to a point where I understand, like, yeah, if I take shorts like these where it's just great or longs like these, or like, bro, this long today, I expected it to hit this one, right? No, yeah, right here. I literally expected it to hit. I took out when it reached like here. Yeah, right here. I don't know why. But it was just, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a process. I gotta believe in myself. I gotta believe in the charts. I gotta keep trying stuff. You know what I'm saying? Strategies for the better. It's all-time highs right now. It's hard. The market's crazy. I don't know, man. So right now, it's a struggle, as you could tell from last week and the week before. Like, bro, I'm getting cooked. Like, there's no explanation for me right now. So yeah, I'm slowly but surely, taking new trades, taking my time. Like yesterday, let me show you that I actually only took 4 trades. I'll be like, no, yeah, you didn't take 4 trades. I don't believe that. Type shit. I wouldn't believe that either, bro. I know me. Can this draw a little better? Bro, I was literally sweating this morning. But I switched my new sleep. Like, I used to wake up at like 8:30 when market will literally just like open, or I think it's 8:15. But now I wake up around like 7:45, give myself a little more time, see what's happening. So yeah, this was yesterday. I just took that because I was like, I realized what was happening. So that's one right there, right, from yesterday. 2, 3, 4, boom, 4 trades, like I said. But we're not really talking about yesterday. I mean, unless y'all want to, but nah, not really. So let's go back over here. This is the minute. As you already know, we're in a retracement right now, in a downtrend for the daily. At the same time, call it what you want. It is what it is. So we did reach all-time highs for like the past month, bro. It's a struggle. I can't get anything right, but I ain't giving up. So let's just talk about what I did today. So obviously, I went to the 4 hours. Obviously, I marked out there, even there. I think I took it off though. And then I marked here just in case if it did reach, just in case, because clearly you guys can see it's just pushing. It's probably gonna reach here. Liquidity is gonna probably sweep it. It's gonna go back down and probably create lower lows, I believe. I'm not really that sure, or maybe it's just gonna go higher and higher until it hits this fair value gap right here, this 4-hour fair value gap. Not sure. Yeah, as you can see, this was last week. Oh, I didn't take this much. When was this? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's like 6 trades. I mean, this was the worst day. Look at that. These were the worst days. Clearly, those were the worst days. Look at all the time I was on the funded that I didn't touch this, bro. I don't know why I did that. Not use the demo, bro. There's always time to practice, bro. That's what I realized. Practice during experience, practice on the demo, same thing. Experience. You're just not wasting a funded, blowing it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the 4 hours. I marked everything. It looks a little crazy right now because that's just how I'm working right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta keep it going. You can see my balance though. It's finally about to hit above 100K, which took a while. It really did. Like, bro, it took me a while to lock the freaking. So now we're on the hourly. We're not worried about that. We're worried about here. So I'm surprised I really didn't mark that. I marked that 1 hour fair value gap, another hour fair value gap right there. Man, that's kind of crazy. Like, I wouldn't expect to like actually read this. I guess I could take all these out because it already hit. Because this market is wild. Oop, now we have a fair value gap here as well. But what I realized, like in this market, fair value gaps low key just they're 50, bro. 50 means like they either become inverse imbalances or they just don't, or they just actually work as an imbalance, and it's like a stepping stone to push the orders higher, I think. Bro, I don't know, my explanations are getting worse. Like I don't know, maybe I'm losing my mind, who knows. But yeah, all right, back to the hourly. Clean this up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So messy. Yeah, no, I believe it's gonna push here. Either two options are gonna occur, right? It keeps going up, hitting this fair value gap, and goes back down. At the same time, this is it an order block? Nah, the order block's all the way up here for the downtrend. I mean, technically it wouldn't even be there because another downtrend was created. But yeah, so yeah, that, or it's just gonna reach here and just do a reversal and go back to the downside. That's what I think is gonna happen. And today we'll check that tomorrow, see if it worked. All right, now let's go to the minutes, to where I did my trades. It's kind of I'm gonna have to promote this on TikTok. Like I feel like just posting on YouTube, like it's great. Like people watching me, watching my journals, watching me fail or succeed. Like it's kind of great. So maybe I don't even know, bro. I'm kind of awkward dude. Right, it is what it is. So boom, first trade here, 855. Why did I realize this? I only realized these in the moment, so I'm sorry if it's a rough explanation. So boom, let's get into it. So boom, right, we're in the upside right now. We're bullish. We keep going. Boom, we sweep liquidity right here. So that's probably what I've seen. So in this moment in time, I realized, hey, there's liquidity right here. Just not a lot, but it's where resting orders will be. We hit that. We started a smooth trend to the upside. It's not a trend yet because we're not bullish yet. So boom, we created an inverse fair value gap, which probably was my confirmation to, hey, you should buy right here real quick and aim for here, right? This is where more resting orders would be, to make where it would make a reversal, right? That's the thought. Hold on, my dog's eating something. I can't have nothing nice, bro. I can't have nothing nice. But yeah, as I was saying, dang, I just blanked out. All right, gang. Yeah. Reversal, boom. Clearly, that's what happened, but I was aiming. So, all right, yeah, I remember. I was clearly aiming for here because it's like, this is kind of weak resistance right here. So I was at first aiming for here, but then I was like, you know what? I think I got bored and too lazy. I think it was just taking too long. It took good 15 minutes to finally reach like this peak. So once I reached here, I was like, oh shoot, all right, my fault, OG. So I was like, you know what? I took out, and look, as soon as I took out, boom, the reversal did occur, as I was saying, and I was thinking of buying here. I remember now, of selling, but I didn't. I don't know. It's like, bro, I plan it and I don't do what I say I'm gonna do. Like, yeah, is it a great setup? Maybe. Did I know it was gonna occur? Yes. Do I have to trust myself a little bit more? Yes. So that's on me. But I got in right here because I was aiming for, clearly, down here, which we didn't touch, right? So when I saw this spiked up, because it was, what, 9:30? Because everybody knows around 9:25, market starts getting crazy volatile. So I was like, you know what? It was a crazy spike down. Well, I just sold right here and just made crazy bread. I think it was like a band. Look, I didn't take a loss today. Like, you guys should be so proud. Hold on. Damn, I made 3 bands. That's what happens when you risk this much, bro. You shouldn't even be risking this much, bro. But I can't control it on my funded, which is kind of annoying. But it is what it is. But yeah, that's basically what today was. That was yesterday. Today was a good day. Hopefully we can keep it going. You know what I'm saying? It's hard to keep it going though. It's really hard. So yeah, as I kept observing, this went skyrocketed up, hit the Fair Valley gap. You know what happens when it hits a 4-hour Fair Valley gap. Obviously, it drops. And I'm pretty sure there was liquidity here all the way if I drag this basically at the peak of this Fair Valley gap. Dang, bro. Come on, low chat. There it is. Yep, right there. Right there. So boom. 2 confluences, drew it back to the downside. Should have sold from up there, but I didn't. I sold all the way down here. Why? I don't know. This is genuinely the one I don't understand why I did. It was literally a 1-minute trade, and it was just like, bro, what would be the purpose? I should have done it up here. It would have been a great entry. We inversed it right here at the same time. So right here would have been an even better entry. And boom, I could have aimed for liquidity down here. But no, I decided, hey, let me do it right here. Right here. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good at the same time. Because, bro, you can look right here. This is a Fair Valley gap. 2-minute Fair Valley gap at that. Which is why this bullish candle rose up, well, that high. Well, I don't think it should have went up that high, but it is what it is. Like, I don't control this. Like, so yeah, that was it. Right now it's moving pretty high actually. Let's go do this. Look at that. It's about to hit this peak, and then it's probably gonna do a whole reversal, and then once Asian session happens, who knows what's gonna happen. But that's today. Don't give up. Keep going. Man, trading trash for real, man. Now I understand why people say, yo, enjoy the journey, because once that journey's over, it's trash. This joint's trash. But I did too much. I can't give up. Can't go back. So, thank y'all for watching. Chris, keep journaling. Keep doing you, bro. Keep it going. Let's chase the bag, y'all. I'll see y'all. I actually will make a video tomorrow, because why not? I love these. These journals help me out. I can go and reflect on them every time. Just to see if my wording's great. You know what I'm saying? Cringe. But yeah. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. All that good stuff. And you know what? Peace.